protect your skin, protect your teeth, you protect your heart. So why don't you protect your eyes? Our eyes are the windows through which we see the wonders of our world. But without our eyes, these wonders literally disappear. Acer's Eye Protect monitors are an important part of protecting your eyes. Here's why. People are spending more and more time staring into monitors for work and for entertainment. Normal monitors are not designed for long hours of work and fun, so they can cause a lot of discomfort and even eye damage. An Acer Eye Protect monitor significantly reduces eye strain by incorporating 4 important technologies. It eliminates stressful screen flickering, it filters out harmful blue light, it reduces annoying background reflection, it can be dimmed down to only 15% of brightness when viewing in dark environments. This all helps you to work and play longer while experiencing less eye strain. And that helps you to protect your eyes so you can see this wonderful world clearly for longer. Be good to your eyes. Be good to the windows to your world.